Salutations and welcome. So we'll look at the solution now to exercise number 5. There's a bit more to this time. Write a Python program that asks the user to type in his or her favorite color. The program should then print a message to the screen that says, color is also my favorite color, where color should be whatever color the user typed in. So whatever color the user types in is what needs to appear here in the output string, not actually this placeholder. The color needs to appear there. So how do we get input from the user? Well, of course, we have to use the input function. So let's do that. We'll create a variable to store whatever the user is going to type in. So we'll call it color. That would be a sensible name. Color equals, and then to get the input, remember we have to use the input function. And then we'll ask the user, what is your favorite color? And then it said we have to print out color is also my favorite color. So whatever the user typed in. So we want whatever the user typed in, which is what's going to be in the color variable. So we're going to say, start with color is also my favorite color. There we go. So I'll save that and now we'll run that as well. There we go. So it's now running and it's prompting me, what is your favorite color? So I will say blue. Blue is also my favorite color. Excellent. There we go. So that was actually very simple. So there we go. So that is the solution to exercise number 4. Or no, sorry, that's the solution to exercise number 5. And in the next video, we'll look at the solution to exercise number 6, which is a bit of a challenge, which requires something that we haven't seen in the online sessions or my videos so far. But don't be nervous, it's going to be good. So see you in the next video.